How you doing? I'm Paul Samartino, one of the owners at Martini Samartino Design Group and lead designer on this awesome house here. We're going to show you some of the highlights. Welcome to the inside foyer. A couple things I want to point out in here. The foyer is very transparent. One of the big things that we're looking for is a transparent house, lots of sunlight, and bringing the outdoors in and almost letting the outdoors be part of the artwork of the house. We actually incorporated this glass floor, which kind of connects the lower level to the upper level visually here and actually lets some sunlight down. To the right here, we come through and we're in this stair hall, I call it. We have this beautiful staircase leading down to the lower level. Cool highlight is this concrete tile, working closely with Peggy, Sass Interiors and Johnson Custom Homes and kind of pulling all this together. And we get these peel up tiles and we had to strategically place lighting behind there. So it was kind of a little bit of a work of art. And it's a really cool highlight at night. And then of course you see this large window painting this beautiful picture of the outdoors front entry, and then we have this, again, grid that's following throughout the house. So from here, we're gonna walk into the public space of the home. You can see this tall cathedral ceiling, and again, I wanted to highlight the interiors to kind of reflect what's going on in the outside, those nice gable end pieces of architecture. And then anchoring down at the end is this beautiful wall of windows, again on the grid. So you see the kitchen, dining, and family spaces are in this L shape. It's a great shape for interaction and entertaining. So from here, we're gonna go check out the owner suite, see what that's all about. We see our bed wall. We got our beams that are kind of tying into the beams that are happening on the main part of the house. Then we incorporated this little sitting area so that the owners can sit and actually have this lovely view of the outside. Down this hall, we're gonna pass his and her closets, and then we're gonna enter into the owner's bathroom. We have a great vista looking out towards the front yard of the property with this great sculpted tub, his and her vanities, which you'll see. And then we have a beautiful walk-in shower. Walls are clad floor to ceiling with marble. So it's a really low maintenance, kind of beautiful space. So here we are outside in this awesome covered loggia space. And you can see how it's surrounded in glass. So we have direct access from master suite, foyer, and the dining family space. Coming out here, we're in an open air space, just really highlighting this land, the landscapes here. This whole water feature, which was designed by Mark Jewett of Jewett Associates Landscaping. We worked closely with him and his company and his team to create this really tranquil setting. And as you can see, it really came together nicely. We're gonna go back in now and check out the lower level. So here we are on the lower level, and I just want to re-highlight that staircase that we talked about earlier. So you can see underneath the stair, we did a terraced style staircase, which kind of looks like just solid chunks of wood, blocks of wood coming down, and this gives a great kind of floating effect. Once we're in the lower level, we're kind of in this nice big party space. We have a beautiful bar set up here, a sitting lounge area with, again, that gorgeous background of the landscaping behind. And this space here is more of a lounge space. We got some beautiful built-ins to the left. I just also want to highlight that glass floor that we talked about. So it kind of strategically lands in this nice corridor that runs from one end of the lower level to the other. This project really had a great synergy, had a great team of people between the builder, the landscaper, and especially the clients. It was a wonderful experience for everybody, and it really brought together the opportunity to create really something special, and that's what we feel we did here. And I know myself and my group, it's one of our greatest homes we've done, and we're super proud to share it.